So do you like her?
No, you're gonna make him want to fall. I want to hold on to him. Let him eat. You want to pet him?
I know, I'm okay.
Yeah. Unlimited hay. Yeah. Oh my God, his little teeth.
If you want to.
Guys, I can feel the vibration. Is it a video? Hey, every time you're filming, it's always a video, in my opinion. And I'm always asking.
Wait, can I have?
Don't feed him more. I want to get a goat for my birthday.
Yeah, I keep my have some. So cute.
You want some hay?
After this,
Want hay? No? I think she just farted on me. Put it down here. Nice. Want hay?
I like grass. All of them. One's jumped off of me. They're like, my whole life.
You want hay? You have to hold it. You him. Hold it tight. Grab it. Yeah, it hurts.
Ask her for help.
Okay?
Can I have? You like hay? Because it flew off his hand.
That like actually ripped my skin.
I don't think she likes it. You guys, a big piece of hay? This is a big piece of hay. Are you big enough to handle this piece of hay? I don't know if you're big enough for this piece of hay.
The good piece of hay. Should have got a picture.
Eat my hay!
I did it. Bags for a goat.
Eat my hay!
What's it?
Eat it!
There's
You need to eat it! Eat it!
I know there was a
Don't you want hay?
Okay.
and then I also
Don't you want hay?
in tie-dye box.
I think he's saying hey right now. Hey.
I hold everyone but the posing for the camera. Holding the baby after Ari.
You want hay? Hay? No?
He's like a little
Get back! I'm mad that you're promoting the
You massage their stomach. They like when you massage their stomachs because they get gas bubbles in their stomach.
If they cut them off, it's not gonna hurt them because there's no nerves in there. Yeah, but if someone cut off your bone, no, it's like cutting off your nail. Part of your bone. No, it is. Oh yeah.
Well, it's kind of like when dogs get their tails trimmed with the ears.
Oh, that hurts.
Their tails.
like Dobermans. I literally feel like I'm so
Yeah, like my dog had like just a natural baby.
I guess he did that multiple times.
Yeah.
It's like actually, but I'm scared
whenever my birds go on my shoulder, they get
Sounds good. This is a video, dude.
Oh.
I got you. I got a picture of you.
Okay.
Hey, can I have him on my shoulder? Yeah, we saw one of us do. He was facing it.
He's just chilling.
Okay, I'm taking this.
It's so cute. Okay, wait, it's going in your head. What? Okay, just move your hair. Come here. Baby here. Yeah. Oh my Don't pet him.
I know. I do this every morning.
Do you want me to take him? No. No, he's going to your head and he's like by your face.
That's my hair.
Do you want me to take him? No. Okay.
He's gonna give you like poke into your ear.
Yes. Yeah. Do you want me to take him?
My hair.
No, okay, there. Here.
Oh my gosh, no. Start getting them out and washing them.
Can I have that one on my shoulder? Can I get mine? No, you're not. Just be you.
You're gonna take the bird back.
Just for him.
What does that say? He, smile.
Daddy, look it.
Slay. Just be you.
Look at you.
Slay.
So good.
This chicken is slaying right now. He loves you.
You're being so brave right now.
He's like gripping onto your shirt.
I have to pull my shirt.